This is our little mamod roller. Just bought off eBay. It had obviously been in a loft for many years and was in a poor condition. After a clean up, it had obviously been dropped, so all the face bracket and pipe were destroyed. It needed a new whistle. It needed a new water level, because it poured water out faster than you could put it in. But it was completely stripped and put back together, and it must be about a 1970s model, so let's see it go. And there she goes. Not so bad for an oldie. It's a very great pleasure to get one of these and bring it back to life.